Ready for a maiden voyage. Earth, the final frontier. These are the voyages of the RV couple. Our crazy RV life. Our mission is to explore strange new worlds, to seek out new life, new civilizations, to boldly go where everybody has gone before. So we'll see what we can find. Everything looks good. Hi. Hi.
There's somebody up there.
Here, get my hat in case.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning. Hey. That's enough.
Yeah, a day early. So, yep.
Happy New Year's Eve.
Happy
Thank
New Year's.
you.
Be safe.
Yep.
Thank you.
You know, you guys have been amazing for us.
Good.
We've utilized, you know, the Florida hop for 3 years now, and we're headed out now. We won't see y'all for a long time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Can I give your dogs a snack?
They're good.
They're good?
They're
Yeah.
good.
Okay. Then I'll take their snack and I'll eat it.
There you go.
Be safe.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, God bless.
Happy
Yep.
New Year.
Thank you.
In 1/2 mile, turn right on US 27. Turn right at the stop sign.
Bill's like, yeah, I can lay down. Oh no, what, you got back up? Why'd you get up?
She heard her name.
Huh?
She heard her name. Yes, I know. I'm 2 miles over the speed limit. Shame on me.
Oops.
All right, so where are we headed?
We're heading north.
Well, northeast.
Okay, northeast is where we're going. We're going to make a quick stop at
Woodbine, Georgia,
Woodbine, Georgia.
which is just north of St. Mary's, Georgia.
And then, from there we're going to go on to Yemassee,
South Carolina.
South Carolina.
This is a very unusual drive when I'm having to pass other people.
Hey, be thankful.
I know. Just unusual.
Plus it being a Saturday morning.
Mm-hmm.
So
I know, and I keep thinking today's Sunday because Sunday's usually our travel day.
it is. Which we'd actually thought about making the trip all in one day. But
It's just not.
long day.
Just not worth it.
Yeah.
It would have been doable in the summer when we have long hours of daylight, but now, I mean, we've we could. I don't think we would have been able to make it before dusk, and I really don't want to. I want to make these trips enjoyable and not so tiring that we get burnt out. Hope the fog burns off though, and I hope we don't run into a bunch of rain. I'd like to be able to enjoy the views.
Well, the rain's coming. I already looked on the radar. It's coming. It's coming northeast. Where it's drifted. So.
Well, maybe we'll beat it.
Might have left just in time, which I'm thinking we probably could.
Just activated grade braking, so we won't speed anymore.
Darn.
I love that. Just tap the brake and the truck automatically brakes for you. I'm serious. I'm staying at 44 miles an hour. And the speed limit's 45.
Okay.
Going downhill. Love it. Sorry, 46.
46. You lied. It's 46.
I didn't lie. I was going 44 when I said that. I know, but the speed limit changes up here. See, right there, it's the sign. Oh.
It says 45.
It says say 45, doesn't it? I was only going 2 miles over, all right?
Again.
There, 50, okay?
That was 50.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow, look at the top of the citrus tower. It's enshrouded.
It's a little flogged in.
Yep. So much stuff around here we didn't get to do because of work and all that, and I am actually looking forward to when we do eventually come back, being able to do some stuff that we never did.
Actually be visitors and sightseers.
Yeah,
for a change,
right.
You know?
Instead of residents.
Yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. 11 years has been good. You know?
Our lives have been good down here. We were meant to come down here. There's no doubt in my mind.
But there comes a time in one's life where change must happen.
And we have made so many lifelong friends down here. And y'all know we're not forgetting you.
No, not in the least.
It's just when we do come down to visit, we'll actually be able to visit.
I should be able to say hi.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. You're squishing my potato chips.
He's like, thank you for putting this pillow here.
You're squishing my potato chips. Oh, you're just so lonely, aren't you? You're just so lonely.
No, get back. Go on.
You're just so lonely.
You know better.
Yes, you
Daddy enables you.
I know, I do. I'm an enabler. Yes, and you gotta kiss me, I know. Thank you. Yeah, but I have noticed the price of gas has jumped a little bit.
Yep, and we have got I don't know what you would call it, a regatta of bicyclists? I don't know.
Early morning ride.
stop to where we can stretch our legs a little bit.
Gainesville, Palatka.
So Loves.
Yep. Stop there.
Mm-hmm.
God love your Loves. They're hiring too, like everybody else.
Trying to figure out which way I need to go.
Trucks.
Turn right onto the unpaved road.
I just got one down here at the very end. That way I have room to. I know what I'll do. There's a couple places here I can go straight through.
Big parking spots here.
Don't back in. Don't back in. Don't back in. All right. A popular stop for RVers.
I guess so.
Alright, lights are on, stairs are up, doors locked, handles in.
Yep.
You did another walk around.
Continue 1/4 mile to the end of the street, then turn right. Turn right on US 301.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good. Best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
St. Mary's River.
miss the Georgia sign, I think. Unless that's it up there.
There's the Georgia sign. Welcome. We're glad Georgia's on your mind.
All pull-through sites, which is actually nice.
They're all paved. They're all relatively level.
Yep.
Right next to I-95. You hear the traffic noise, but it's not, definitely not overwhelming.
No, it's not.
You're right next to a travel plaza. I think
Which
there's
is-
a truck stop right over there.
Yeah, right through them trees. Right up there.
It's not a big one, but it's big enough to get a fifth wheeler Class A in. This is one of those parks where when you first pull in, you're like, what did we do?
Yeah.
But you come back and it's a very nice place for an overnight.
Mm-hmm.
I guess we shouldn't crow too soon until we actually spend the night, but
Pretty
Hi,
good.
how are you doing? No, you can't go for another ride. Come on. You too.
You too.
Kaz is like, oh, water? Okay, I'll walk through it.
Yeah.
Billy's like, no.
No, no problem.
You never know she's a beach dog.
No, I know. But they do have a couple back-in sites.
Yeah, perimeter
Uh-huh.
over here. So this park, the address is Woodbine, Georgia. It's between Woodbine and Kingsland, Georgia. It's right near Kings Bay, Naval Submarine Base. Not too far from, what is it, Cumberland Island?
Cumberland Island. Yep.
hop, skip, and a jump away from Jekyll Island.
So watch where I'm walking too. I'll walk right through the water. Alright. So this is the bathhouse slash restroom. Looks like it's in good shape, you know? This does actually look like it's fairly new. So restrooms themselves are in great shape. And then you've got the shower. Got a nice little rack there. You've got curtains to separating. So yeah, this is a pretty nice little restroom slash bathhouse. All right, we're ready.
All right. So we already have, obviously, our Florida sticker. 3 years of full timing in Florida.
Yeah.
And we have our Alabama sticker from our Hurricane Ian evacuation.
Yep.
We almost had our Georgia sticker during that evacuation, but we decided it didn't count because the address of the park we stayed at was Georgia, but the park itself was in Florida. It was right on that state line.
Weird.
So
Really weird.
we decided that didn't count. However, tonight we are staying near Kingsland, Georgia. And it does qualify because we are actually staying the night on our way to our next destination in South Carolina. Gosh.
If you can get it off.
There we go. So, Georgia on my mind.
Georgia. Can you get it in there? It's close enough.
Close enough. It's hard to do when it's...
Yeah, it is. But there's
All
Georgia.
right.
Georgia's in there.
Yay! And tomorrow we'll add South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Stay tuned. Well, by the time you see this, we'll already tell you where we are. So, all right.